Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the DeWalt angle grinder, links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. The DeWalt DWE4206 115mm mini grinder is fitted with a non-volt release switch that prevents the unit from starting unintentionally when locked on. The switch must be consciously reset before power is delivered. Soft start reduces movement of the tool on startup, increasing user control, and there is a high efficiency motor that improves performance even in demanding applications. The dust ejection system removes the majority of the debris from the air which passes over the motor, preventing abrasion and tracking. It has a new guard design that allows guard fitment, adjustment or removal without the use of tools. For increased flexibility, a side position spindle lock gives greater protection to button when using in confined spaces. The specifications include the following. The input power is 1010 watts. The no load speed is 11,000 per minute. The max disc diameter is 115mm. It has a spindle of M14. The length is 285mm. And finally, the product weighs 2.1 kg. DeWalt Industrial Tool Company is a worldwide manufacturer of power tools and hand tools for the construction, manufacturing and woodworking industries, as well as DIY.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.